Good morning, guys. We are in London and we came here with Laudamotion. It was very cheap. It was just 20 euros to come here from Vienna, and it's also not so expensive as I thought. The life here, like okay, the rent and these kind of things are really expensive, but to travel by underground or by buses is not so expensive as I thought, because for example by underground it costs just £1.50, and you have to pay by card, contactless card. You just check in when you are going under, and then when you are leaving you just check out with your contactless card, and that's it. It's very easy. It's not so expensive. And by bus it's the same system. Maybe it's a little bit cheaper. I don't know exactly how much it costs, maybe £1. And to eat here you can get the food like around £5 or something like that. In some supermarkets you can get some baguette for £3, so it's not so expensive as I thought. We are in the area of the London Bridge, Tower Bridge, and we are going to visit Big Ben. So see you!
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.